at Ward High Tech, and I'm about to tell you about a triple whammy deal that they're doing, but all amalgamated together. So you've got C-bills, where the government are subsidising the interest rates. On top of that, Ward High Tech have got a finance deal that they're doing where you buy now but pay nothing until December 2021. And on top of that, they are doing double-digit discounts if you're buying before the end of February 2021. So you've got to be quick. So this is one of the machines that are available on this deal, and this is the Dah Lih, of course, MCV 1060. It's a high-speed precision machining centre. What's good about this machine is the fact that all three axes, the X, the Y and the Z, have full linear guideways, 40 metre a minute rapids. It's a BBT 40 spindle, so you can have and choose as different options, various spindle speeds, 8,000, 10, 12 and 15. If you go for the 8,000, you're getting 15,000 horsepower, which is going to give you good power on the bottom end. However, if you're cutting aluminiums and your softer materials and you go for the 15K spindle, it's great as well if you're using smaller diameter tools. Both are proved very, very popular for Ward High Tech. Okay, the control system, Fanuc or Heidenhain. It's very good actually, because if you do want a fourth axis table, it's all prepared, so it's all wired in, so you can simply plug and play. As standard with this machine, you get through spindle coolant, flood coolant, programmable air, bed wash. Look, this is an example of one of the machines that they have, but of course you are getting that C-bill scheme, you're getting their double-digit discount deals as well, and on top of that, the finance deal where you buy now but pay nothing for 12 months. Those deals are not separate. Ward High Tech are putting all of those deals together. As we keep saying, there's never been a better time to buy. This machine itself has sold, but there are only a few available. So all I'm saying is be quick and contact Ward High Tech for more information.